Hello, welcome our Get Locked channel. Today in this video, we are going to show some of the best foot cream for cracked heels that are best sold and reloaded in the last couple on Amazon. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product, check the links in the description below, so let's get started with the video. Number 1, O'Keeffe's for Healthy Feet Foot Cream, 3.2 ounces jar. O'Keeffe's Healthy Feet Foot Cream does a number on highly distressed super dry skin on feet and heels with a combination of glycerin, allantoin, and paraffin. Because feet are more prone to dryness and getting calloused, look for urea, an ingredient that simultaneously moisturizes and exfoliates the skin. Urea is an essential component of skin maintenance, serving as a natural moisturizing factor that binds water and pulls it into the skin where it belongs and kicks cracked. Skin gets dry and cracked when it's dehydrated or when there's excessive pressure on the foot. According to Yao, creams that contain urea, like this one from O'Keeffe's, are the best to tackle this common issue. She also recommends using a foot file to exfoliate skin before using a foot cream so that it can penetrate deeper. This O'Keeffe's formula, packed with skin-replenishing fatty acids and conditioning paraffin, is the top-rated foot cream on Amazon for tackling calluses. It's racked up over 33,000 reviews, including dramatic photos of users' heels before and after treatment with the cream. My feet have been cracked non-stop for probably the last 10 years. I've tried literally everything and was incredibly embarrassed by them, one reviewer reported. After 4+ weeks my feet have never been better. There are 0 cracks. This was voted one of the best foot creams by my patients, she adds. They often prefer it over most prescription foot creams. The skin softening properties in this formula are all thanks to moisture-sealing ceramides, hydrating hyaluronic acid, and exfoliating salicylic acid. Number 2, Kerasal Intensive Foot Repair Skin Healing Ointment for Cracked Heels. This dry skin ointment is specially designed to repair cracked heels and dry feet. It is infused with salicylic acid, urea, and white petroleum. The foot cream effectively moisturizes your skin and keeps it soft and irritation-free. Check out this YouTuber's review of this product. If your feet are sore from running, walking, or wearing platform boots, let Earth Therapeutics Foot Repair Balm come to the rescue. Tea tree oil delivers a refreshing cooling sensation when you apply it, and the additions of aloe vera and chamomile soothe scratchy skin and blisters. With 6 full ounces of cream, it's a great value, too. While the Burt's Bee Lip Balm may have a permanent spot in your bag, you'll be pleasantly surprised with their foot cream. Formulated with a mixture of coconut and olive oils, its consistency is thick, yet feels more like a balm, allowing it to give a hefty dose of moisture with each use. And its light, refreshing scent of peppermint and rosemary only adds to its appeal. Almond oil-infused formula, this podiatrist-created foot repair butter was made to deliver moisture straight to every heel crack and callus. The orange essential oil helps cut odors, too, if that's something you wish to treat. Which refreshes with cooling menthol and mint, plus a laundry list of other natural plant oils and extracts: castor, jojoba, rosemary, lavender, sunflower, tea tree, apple, green tea, willow bark, orange, and more. It's top rated at Nordstrom with almost 1,000 reviews for a reason. I can't say how much I love this foot cream. One reviewer enthused. Willow bark, orange, and more. It's top rated at Nordstrom with almost 1,000 reviews for a reason. I can't say how much I love this foot cream. One reviewer enthused. Number 3, PurOrganica Urea 40% Foot Cream No Pumice Stone. The PurOrganica Urea 40% Foot Cream is the solution for itchy, dry, and scaly skin. It is formulated with 40% urea that exfoliates dead skin cells, promotes cell turnover, and reduces itchiness. It is enriched with tea tree oil, chamomile extract, and aloe vera that deeply moisturize and soothe the skin. This high-quality, quick-absorbing formula gives you the smooth feet of your dream in the quickest and easiest way. You don't have to spend a ton of money to find a quality foot cream, says Dr. Marcus. For less than $20, he likes this tub from PurSources, which contains 40% urea. Urea is the most popular ingredient in foot creams as it smooths rough skin and kills the fungus responsible for athlete's foot, he explains. It also contains nourishing botanical oils. A general rule for good foot hygiene is that you want to keep the area well moisturized, clean, and not overly sweaty, explains Rossi. Foot creams are notorious for making feet feel greasy, but this one won't. Eucerin's formula is non-sticky and fast-absorbing due to the presence of dermatologist-loved athletes. This one is for y'all. Carp's foot cream, as the name states, is powder-based antiperspirant that creates a layer of sorts, reducing friction and blocking moisture. This prevents bacteria from forming and, by extension, minimizes odors. The ingredient also has benefits for your feet. In CeraVe's Renewing SA Foot Cream, salicylic acid exfoliates dead skin. Number 4 Ebanel Urea Cream 40% plus salicylic acid 2% foot cream. French brand L'Occitane formulates body care products with rich doses of shea butter, and this foot balm is no exception. The formula is made with 25% of the ingredient to soften up your skin. The rich texture melts into your skin once you warm it up and massage it onto your feet. And the classic powdery scent will make your feet feel post-shower fresh. That smells good without being too overwhelming, which is where this eucalyptus-scented pick from Footnanny comes in. Aside from working well on repairing dry feet and heels, it also provides a delicious refreshing scent from the mixture of essential oils within its formula. Also nice. It absorbs speedily without leaving any residue, greasiness, or gross stuff. Ebanel's Urea Cream is an effective one. Disclaimer: the smell isn't for everyone. But the results are so amazing you won't mind. This powerful cream is effective at resurfacing the skin on your feet with just a few uses. It's also handy to use on rough patches on your hands, elbows, and knees. She recommends Aquifer for dry, cracked feet because it contains panthenol, a form of vitamin B5, to help retain moisture, and glycerin to draw in water from the air into the skin's outer layer. The best part? The multi-purpose product can be used beyond your feet on dry, cracked, or irritated hands, elbows, and even lips. Number 5 Dr. Scholl's Severe Cracked Heel Repair Restoring Balm. Although it's not the most glamorous foot cream on our list, Ebanel's Urea Cream is an effective one. Disclaimer: the smell isn't for everyone. But the results are so amazing you won't mind. This powerful cream is effective at resurfacing the skin on your feet with just a few uses. It's also handy to use on rough patches on your hands, elbows, and knees. Tea tree oil and chamomile extract also join forces to soothe skin and repel bacteria to keep feet feeling soft and healthy. I am a nurse and I am on my feet constantly. I have had calluses on my feet forever, probably from years of wearing poorly fitting dress shoes when I was a young woman, one reviewer wrote. It is a very nice rich moisture cream with the addition of urea, which, when used daily, is effective in eliminating calluses. It has lactic acid, which is an alpha-hydroxy acid, and it helps to like, comment and share. Please subscribe my channel. Check the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.